Hi everybody! So, I was able to, so as you know, I'm really a huge fan of Heidi Swapp. So, I asked TCM if I'd be able to get hold of one of her um, coveted storyline binder book. Nax, coveted. But really, it's me. I wanted it so bad. So, because of that, I will open this one with you so that you can see if this is something that would also interest you. And if it is, send a message to TCM Shine Asuncion so that you can check with her if this is still available or what design is still available from Heidi Swapp for this. Okay, so let's open it together. Okay, so let's see. Just gonna put it out there and ta-da-da! There you go. It's very huge. I think this would fit a 12 by 12 paper, I think. All right. Wow, it's very nice. Okay, so let's just remove all of this. Those are protectors, and you will have your own envelope. It's a plastic envelope that goes in here. I think what you can do with this is you can put some of your post-it or memo pads, or maybe we can try if I can insert one of her small stamps. Yeah, this is one of Heidi Swapp stamps, and it fits right here. Let me try if it also fits this one. So this is one of hers as well, but it's a bit big. Not sure if it will fit. Okay, I think I'm trying too much, so maybe it won't. But worth a try. Okay, so let's put it there first, and let's see the other pages. Okay, so collect, it says here, collect beautiful moments. All right, and then you have, I'm not sure if you can see it, but you have who, what, and where, and then the day of the week, day, month, and year. So this is really a blank page that you can fill in, and you have protectors, so you know it's making sure that it will last a long time. Not sure how many these are. And then, oh, this is nice, you have a year in summary and dates to remember. So remember, Heidi Swapp, she was the one who's doing the stop the blur movement, where it's like a scrapbook, combined journaling and scrapbooking. So she makes sure that she documents the things that she's looking forward to happen or to attend to any events, and then after that particular event, she also documents photos and some of the, you know, the stuff that she wanted to make sure she remembers even after that event, documented here, so that, you know, she can always go back here and, you know, remember the things and the happiness that she had on all of those events in her life. She also makes daily events or weekly, so it doesn't, I don't think that there's a specific pattern if it's daily or weekly. It's actually depends on how you would want to document those events in your life. So stop the blur is just making sure that whatever happens, you remember all of the good things that you wanted to keep remembering for the rest of your life. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed opening this with me, and hopefully I wasn't able to attend some of her classes, but I was actually following her on Instagram, and so I get bits and pieces of, tips and tricks of information to her. So let me see if I can do one as well and share with you. So there, thank you so much. Have a great day, guys. Bye.